In this video, I will show you how to accept a gift on Steam. First, open the Steam app and sign into your account. Now click on the profile name at the top of Steam window and select Inventory. Once your inventory opens, click on the three-dot menu. Now choose View Gift History. Here, you will see any gift that has been sent to your account. Find the gift you want to claim. Then click on Accept Gift or Accept into Library to add the game to your Steam library. Once accepted, the game will be available to download and play. If you do not see the gift, check your Steam notifications or email associated with your Steam account, as gift invitations are often sent there as well. Also, make sure that you are signed into the correct Steam account. If you're unable to accept the gift, verify that the gift hasn't expired or been cancelled and that there are no regional restrictions preventing it from being redeemed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.